Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Cuisinart Appliances is probably one of the most trusted names in the culinary world, and for good reason. Their appliances are designed to simplify cooking and elevate your culinary experiences. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, Cuisinart offers a wide range of products that can help you create delicious meals with ease. Number 5. Cuisinart Griddler 5-in-1 Indoor Grill. This Cuisinart Griddler is a versatile kitchen appliance. It functions as a contact grill, panini press, full grill, full griddle, and half grill half griddle. It's perfect for various cooking needs. The Griddler can handle a wide range of foods. From pancakes and sausages to grilled cheese, steaks, hamburgers, and paninis, it does it all. You can explore many recipes with it. It features adjustable temperature controls. In grill panini mode, it adjusts from warm to sear. In griddle mode, it ranges from 200 degrees Fahrenheit to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring everything is cooked perfectly. Cleaning is a breeze with this grill. It includes non-stick griddle plates, a removable drip tray, and a cleaning tool. All of these are dishwasher safe, making cleanup simple. The Cuisinart Griddler comes with a 3-year limited warranty. This PFAS-free grill provides peace of mind with its superior performance and durability. What we like? This grill offers incredible versatility with its 5-in-1 cooking capabilities. It allows you to create a variety of dishes with ease. If you're looking for a kitchen appliance that can handle everything from pancakes to steaks, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say? I have used it at least 10 times since I received it. So far I have cooked eggs, bacon, pork chops, toast, a Philly steak sandwich, and waffles, with the waffle plates I purchased separately. Everything has turned out great except the first time I cooked eggs on it because I didn't use cooking spray on it beforehand. I love that I have the option of using either the griddle or the grill plates. When you use the griddle setting you get to select a temperature between 200 up to 425 degrees. If you use the grill panini setting you select your temperature as either warm, low, medium, high, and sear. The non-stick plates make it where I can just wipe the mess right up with little to no effort. Very nice. Number 4. Cuisinart Mini Prep Plus Food Processor. Introducing the Cuisinart Mini Prep Plus Food Processor. It features a powerful motor and a reversible stainless steel blade. This makes it perfect for quickly chopping herbs, dicing vegetables, and grinding hard cheese. This food processor is designed for convenience. It has a push-button control panel and an auto-reversing smart power blade. It offers 2 processing options, chop and grind. Cleanup is a breeze with the dishwasher-safe bowl and lid. The motor base can be easily wiped clean. It comes with a 24-ounce work bowl, a stainless steel blade, a spatula, and an instruction book. The mini chopper is designed for easy cleanup. The bowl and lid are dishwasher-safe. You can wipe the motor base with a damp cloth. The Cuisinart Mini Prep Plus is BPA-free. It also comes with a limited 18-month warranty. You can enjoy using it with peace of mind. What we like? The Mini Prep Plus food processor is a compact powerhouse with its efficient motor and reversible blade. It's perfect for quickly chopping herbs, vegetables, and grinding cheese. If you have limited counter space or need a quick and easy way to prep ingredients, this little gadget is a must-have. What people say? Great little unit when you don't want to drag out the big boy. Minces garlic well 1 or 20 cloves. Good for making emulsified salad dressing. Chopping up panko to get finer. It's lightweight, easy to get out or put away, and is very convenient for small tasks. Easy to assemble and to use and super easy to clean. I just pop the dishwasher safe parts in the washer and go. Perfect speed options and nice and powerful. Number 3. Cuisinart DFP14BCNY 14-cup food processor. This Cuisinart food processor is a versatile kitchen tool. It functions as a vegetable chopper, blender, and food processor, making it easy to create a variety of dishes. With its 720-watt motor, this food processor handles any task. Make dips, purees, soups, and sauces like hummus, salsa, or guacamole with ease. The 14-cup food chopper features on and off pulse buttons. It also includes a large feed tube and a detachable disc stem for easy cleaning. This food processor comes with dishwasher-safe parts. You'll receive a stainless steel slicing disc, a shredding disc, and a chopping blade. Please note that the shredding and slicing blades are not adjustable. Refer to the manual before using this appliance. The Cuisinart food processor is backed by a limited 3-year warranty on the entire unit. The motor has a full 5-year warranty. What we like? This food processor is a true workhorse with its powerful motor and large capacity. It comes with multiple accessories, making it ideal for mincing, dicing, shredding, and even kneading dough. If you enjoy cooking and need a versatile appliance to handle various food preparation tasks, this is the one for you. What people say. The Cuisinart is a great product. It works very well. I like the design. Number 2. Cuisinart FP8SV 8-cup food processor. This 350-watt food processor is designed for powerful food preparation. It features an 8-cup work bowl with clear measurement markings, making it easy to see how much you're processing. The Cuisinart FP8SV comes with reversible shredding and slicing discs, offering medium to fine options. The integrated feed tube allows you to add ingredients while it's running. You're in control with the convenient rubberized controls. It has high, low, off, and pulse settings for all your food processing needs. Cleaning up is a breeze. All removable parts of this food processor are dishwasher safe, saving you time and effort. This product is BPA-free and comes with a limited 2-year warranty. Refer to the user manual for warranty details and troubleshooting steps. What we like? With its 350-watt motor and 8-cup work bowl, this food processor is perfect for everyday food prep. The reversible shredding and slicing discs add to its versatility. If you like to make quick work of slicing and shredding vegetables, this is the perfect addition to your kitchen. What people say. I was able to do all of this in about 10 minutes with no mess or leaks. I like the ease of assembly. Once assembled, next time is a cinch, and using the processing blade and slicers is quick and easy. I love it, and am enjoying some of the freshly made hummus in between writing sentences of this review. Seems to work great, and the hummus came out creamy smooth in under a minute. My old little 2-cup KitchenAid model took about 5 minutes to make hummus, and it was still a bit lumpy, not this baby, as it has plenty power and quickly processes the beans to a smooth and creamy consistency. With the very simple, click on the work bowl, insert blade, click on lid and process. Cleanup is much easier than the Elite model. I am probably going to send it back and get the basic 14-cup for a larger option to have on hand. But I really like this basic Cuisinart, and it's staying right here. I was absolutely amazed at how fast I was able to slice 3 pounds of onions for French onion soup. I then used it to slice all of the veggies for a chicken spinach lasagna, and then I used it to slice mozzarella and Parmesan cheeses. Tonight I used it to finely chop dried French bread into crumbs for stuffed pork chops. I've really put this device through the paces. It's done a good job other than with the cheeses. I liked the size of the device the best. It's only 2 of us, so I find for most recipes the size works. The second thing I love is how easy this is to clean. You can just pop it in the top rack of the dishwasher. Next thing I like is using the pulse function for chopping onions. I think I eat onions in about everything I make. I really love the versatility of this machine. Number 1. Cuisinart CSB 179 Smart Stick Hand Blender. This hand blender is versatile and durable. It switches from low to high speed quickly, making it perfect for various kitchen tasks. It features a comfort grip handle with a push button for continuous action. There is also a variable speed slide control for precision. The blender has an on/off switch with a lock-unlock button. The 8-inch stainless steel blending shaft makes it easy to puree, emulsify, or whip. Included are a 3-cup chopper grinder, a chef's whisk, and a 2-cup mixing measuring cup. These accessories expand the capabilities of the blender. This product is BPA-free. Refer to the user manual for troubleshooting and warranty information. It comes with a limited 3-year warranty. What we like? This smart stick hand blender offers variable speed control and a comfortable grip, making it easy to puree, emulsify, or whip. It also comes with a chopper grinder and whisk. If you like making soups, sauces, or smoothies, this hand blender will be your new best friend. What people say. The blender has a multi-speed adjustment, making it easy to start a blend at a low speed to mitigate any mess, and ending in a high-speed blend that assures complete puree. The safety switch is now activated by the index finger in line with third finger activation of the blender button. This is much more natural and comfortable than the old safety switch on top of the stick. Accessories include a blender cup, chopper, and whipping attachment. Like most blender cups, this one is sturdy plastic and makes it easy to blend small amounts. It's terrific container for making mayonnaise. The chopper is activated by the stick and does a fine job as a mini food processor. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.